Hi guys, I'm back with Galaxy S6 Edge. This time, this is the model with curved edges. When it was announced, everyone told me you have to see the Edge version, but first I got the regular Galaxy S6, and I kind of think that I like the regular model more than this curved one, but for more, check my review.
Gadget Compare.
This is a brand new design on Galaxy S6. It's something you haven't seen on Samsung before, and the way this S6 Edge looks is something that you cannot see anywhere else on any other smartphone. These curved edges look extremely attractive. There is no single piece of plastic. Many will say this is the copy of the iPhone. Okay, yeah, it is, but it doesn't matter. I think S6 Edge looks even more beautiful than the iPhone. On the sides, it's very thin because it has a curved screen, and as I said, this is very attractive. Build quality and the finish are excellent. The only thing I was afraid that it's gonna fall out from my hands. I had to take care of it like a little baby because I was afraid it was gonna scratch or the glass is gonna break. The feeling in hand is awesome. It's not slippery. It's not too heavy. It has ideal weight and dimensions, and it's very thin in profile, only 7 millimeters. Ergonomically, it's very easy to use it because you have divided keys from the display. You have a physical key, and also you get a fingerprint, which doesn't look as precise as on iPhone 6, so I didn't use it, but still you have it here. The only problem is that you cannot set these keys to have a light for 6 seconds. I cannot find that in settings, so they last only for a second and a half. These virtual keys below the screen, those keys on the sides are very precise for touch, even though the device is very thin. And regarding screen, this is a 5.1 inch diagonal with 577 ppi pixel density. It has rounded edges, so it looks awesome. When you look at YouTube or just browse images, it feels like the display doesn't have an edge. It's so good that when you're outdoors in direct sunlight on 50% brightness, quality is usable as on indoors. Light sensor reacts very quickly, and once again, this is the best screen on the market right now. The keyboard is also very good. It has numbers on top, and with these rounded edges, it feels like it's wider. It's extremely quick to respond for simultaneous typing with 2 fingers. You have comma period. You can set another key here. It's very easy to use. Great keyboard. Android system comes here on the newest Lollipop version. For me, it looks very attractive with this Samsung upgrade. Also, you get some additional features on these rounded edges, but I wouldn't say it's practical as on Galaxy Note Edge. So it's just something cool. I wouldn't call it helpful. All the notifications, the widgets, the settings, everything is very transparent. It's very easy to use. So I think that if you're a beginner on Android, this will be very easy to use. And for me, it looks better than on other brands with Android. The speaker, you get only one speaker on the bottom, but it's very loud and it has a very clean sound, so it's an awesome speaker. But HTC Boom Sound has 2 front speakers, so it's a little bit better than this, but still, this is an awesome speaker. Everything on S6 Edge works extremely fast, but to check how fast it really is, to see how gaming works, the Antutu benchmark and everything, check my other video to see how fast Galaxy S6 Edge is. And I'll say that it has a front 5 megapixel and back and the rear 16 megapixel camera, but for that, check my other video that I recorded, camera review of Galaxy S6 Edge. S6 Edge is about $150 more expensive than the regular Galaxy S6, and for that money you get extremely attractive device. This is like no other. These curved edges and the quality, the build quality and everything, it's just superb. So if you want to have a very attractive phone that attracts views around you, if you're into style or if you're a woman, you should definitely buy the Edge version besides a regular Galaxy S6. But personally, with my bigger hands, it was too sharp on the edges, and I felt like I had a baby for a week. I had to take care of it, to be careful not to drop it or to scratch it. So I kind of prefer the regular Galaxy S6. But as I said, if you want a very appealing phone, this is the model you should buy. Don't ask me what's it like compared to the iPhone. You guys who like the iPhone, I think you don't even watch reviews anymore. You just go into the Apple Store and buy the iPhone. You're all into Apple. And all of you who are watching this review, I think you should buy Galaxy S6 Edge or regular S6, as I said the difference before. That's all for me. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and check my review and all the grades and camera samples and everything on Gadget Review for Galaxy S6. And of course, subscribe to our channel if you haven't had already. And see you next time.